Solution of a pair of linear equations. Any pair of linear equations in two variables can be represented and solved by different methods. Those are 1. Modal method, 2. Graphical method, and 3. Algebraic method. Let us discuss about the graphical method. In the graphical method, we can notice that the graph of a linear equation in two variables is a straight line. Also in this method, the graph of both the linear equations is plotted on the same graph sheet, which represents the two straight lines in the same plane. Let us now understand different types of lines with an example of taking the trains. Here we can observe the two trains are passing one after the other through a common point, which is a diamond crossing. We can generalize this and say that the two lines are intersecting at one common point. The second type is that the two trains here are going parallel and not intersecting anywhere. So we can say this as the two lines are not intersecting, that is, they are parallel. And in the third type, the two trains are going one after the other, which means they are traveling in the same path. Generalizing this, we can say that two lines are coincident, that is, they both are same. Now let us understand the relationship between coefficients and nature of system of equations. Assume a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2 are the coefficients of a given pair of linear equations in two variables. Then the values of a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 are compared in the following way. Let us take a pair of linear equations as a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y and c2 is equal to 0. If algebraic condition a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then graphical interpretation will be intersecting lines. Algebraic interpretation is unique solution and consistency is independent and consistent. If algebraic condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then the graphical interpretation is coincident lines. Algebraic interpretation is infinitely many solutions and consistency is dependent and consistent. If algebraic condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then the graphical interpretation is parallel lines. Algebraic interpretation is no solution and consistency is inconsistent. Let us summarize above explanation in the following table. Here are the three conditions. Let us observe. Number 1. If the two lines intersect each other, then the pair of linear equation has a unique solution and is called the consistent pair of linear equations. 2. If the two lines coincide each other, then the pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions and is called the dependent pair of linear equations. 3. If the lines are parallel, then the pair of linear equations have no solution and is called the inconsistent pair of linear equations.